Good morning, students. Today's topic is construction and working principle of different types of microscopes. So, today we will discuss what is microscope. So, a microscope is a Greek word which is made from micron. It means small and scope means to look. So, microscope is an instrument for viewing objects that are too small to be seen by naked or unaided eyes. So, microscopy. What is microscopy? The science of investigating small object using such an instrument is called as microscopy. So now we will discuss historical background of microscope. In 1590, Hans Janssen and his son Zuraki Janssen first developed microscope. In 1609, Galileo Galilei, all compound microscope. He discovered a compound microscope. In 1620, Christian Huygens, another Dutchman, developed a simple two-lens ocular microscope which can detect chromatically corrected. So, what are the variables used in microscopy? First is magnification. In this, a degree of enlargement, number of times length, breadth, and diameter of an object is multiplied. It depends on optical tube length, focal length of object, magnifying power of eyepiece. So total magnification is magnification of the eyepiece is magnification of the object. Next thing is resolution. The ability to reveal closely adjacent structural details as separate to and distinct. So what is the limit of resolution? LR, the minimum distance between two visible bodies at which they can be seen as separate and not in contact with each other. So in this uh, limit of resolution is 0.61 into W upon NA. In this, W is wavelength and NA is numerical aperture. So now moving to next is numerical aperture. The ratio of diameter of lens to its focal length, which is numerical aperture. So definition is the capacity of an object to render outline of the image of an object clear and distinct. So what are the abbreviations? In this, spherical and chromatic, the focus of axial rays and focus of marginal rays. Next thing is working distance. The distance between the front surface of lens and surface of cover glass or specimen is a working distance. The next is contrast. The difference in intensity between two objects or between an object and background. So next is what are the parts of microscope? There are different parts of microscope in which ocular, which is eyepiece, body, nose piece, object lens, mechanical stage, substrate condenser, light intensity control, coarse focus, and fine adjustment knobs, stage adjustment knobs, substrate condenser, aperture diaphragm control, base light source, and field diaphragm lever. So that's all about parts of microscope. So what is micrometering? In this, it helps in measurement of the size of microscopic objects achieved by the use of stage micrometer, eyepiece. So calibration of the ocular microscope is stage micrometer apart, and then calibration achieved by superimposing the two scale and determining how many ocular graduation coincide with graduations on stage micrometer. Next is types of microscope and their uses. There are different types of microscope, that is light microscope, electron microscope, bright field microscope, and the next is simple microscope and compound microscope. In compound microscope, it contains a single magnifying lens, and in compound microscope, a series of lenses for magnification. And in this, light passes through a specimen into object lens, and then oil immersion lens increases resolution, have one or two ocular lenses, and its resolution is 200 nanometer. So now we will discuss about the advantages and disadvantages of microscope. So in this, used to view live or stained cells. Its next advantage is simple setup with very little preparation required. And its disadvantages are biological specimens are often of low contrast and need to be stained. And staining may destroy or introduce anti artifacts. And if we use limitation is limited to 200 nanometer. So that's all about construction and working principle of different types of microscope. And in this, in next video, we will discuss about different types of microscope in detail. So till then, if you have any query regarding microscope, so you can write your doubts in comment section. Thank you, students.